a kid. I don't even think I beat it back then. I think this is as far as I've ever made it. This is like the 3rd stage. We're practically gonna beat the game. Where's the guy? Oh, that's a guy! Oh, I was just kidding. How do I get him, Jazz? How do I get him? He's got spikes on his boots. Jump on him. He's got spike boots, man. Oh, itchy feet, itchy feet. Come on, man. Oh, come on! Fight me! I don't get it. Do I have to hit him on top of the head, right? So I gotta get the highest part. Come on! Oh yeah! So when he's scratching his feet. Let's scratch your feet, little man. Scratch your feet. Oh, I hit! Oh, I'll finish him off. Destroyed the foot scratcher. I'm not afraid. Go get him again. What happened? Oh! Oh, this is how you step on this and the rabbits come out or something, right? What do we got? What do we save?
Flowers.
Flowers? We did all that for saving flowers. We killed a beast, a scratchy foot guy. I want some bunny rabbits, man. I feel kind of ripped off for that encounter. What is this? Coliseum Chaos? I think that's what it's. Oh, it's chugging. Why would they put that there? Who built this? Trying to hurt my feelings. Whoa. Who's this? Ah, this thing is in love with me. Get away. What? Let go of her, man. He was like kissing me or something. This game's kind of creepy. What is happening? Oh, more buttons, eh? More buttons. I got. As long as you have some rings, you're okay. Oh, I just lost my ring. Pinball. Yeehaw! I just got sucked into a vortex. Come on! Oh, his legs are just a-going. Yeehaw! Bam. Oh yeah, this is it. Alright, we're going down, we're going up into the spikes. I need a ring, I need a ring. As long as I got one ring. Oh! 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 Ooh! Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. Ah! Ah! Ooh. Okay, shh. Man. Whoa! Gosh. Never a dull moment in this game. This game is... I'm scared. I feel fear. Alright, bounce me up. Ooh. How do I get that? You can break through the wall? Go. Wait, 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 wait. I was getting points. Wait. Oh no, I don't have any coins. Oh, I don't have any coins. That's not good. Stop. Right there. Stop, 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 stop. I hate that button. The bounce button. Oh, jeez, man. Look at this. I am not a prodigy at what is this called? Sonic the Hedgehog? I went from Candy Crush to this. Uh-oh, is there gonna be another fight? You have to fight Mr. Itchy Foot? No, we killed him, right?
Yeah.
His feet are not low. His feet are no longer itchy.
What?
We stand victorious! Victory!